So a lot of people considered it the first spring tonic. I myself, I drink it straight from the tree a lot. I'll make coffee, cook my oatmeal. I've made soup with it, cook it a lot. And we're just giving it a little bit of heat. It adds a lot of flavor to any dish. It's a sweetness. Yeah, my name's Mike Moody. I've lived in Chitina since 1990. Before that, Homer. And then I grew up in Michigan. I take advantage of the forest quite a bit with berries and mushrooms and stuff, but this is the first gathering of a season to me. It's the birch sap. The first thing is paying attention and guessing when the sap is going to run. So I have two things. One is when the ground thaws out. That seems obvious. The puddles will just disappear one night. It means the ground is finally thawed out and everything's draining through. I'm thinking that's when the trees can start drawing water up. Another thing that I've discovered is, I don't know if you can hear it, Ray, but there's a little waterfall going off up there. And it only goes off in the spring. And generally I've had this thing in my head, when I start hearing that little waterfall, it's time to tap the trees. Because it's only flowing when it's warm enough and there's water. And so it kind of, it's kind of one of those oddball things that I've got to put together. Good rule for your trees is wait till the tree's at least 8 inches wide before you tap it. I only do one tap a tree, but I'll plug it at the end of the season, and generally, a basic rule I have is I won't tap this tree next year. That this tree just gets to grow bigger and do its thing. The health benefits have been well known for a long, long time. I know in a lot of northern countries people have tapped birch trees. So it's Russian people, Scandinavian people, Canadian people have all tapped birch trees. It's supposed to help with a lot of the spring clean out. After our winters, we tend to build up some toxins. We sit around a lot. We don't get as much exercise. We're cooped up in the houses. And just the health benefits of getting out in the woods and tapping the tree. Plus it helps drain the liver and the kidneys. It helps clear out some of your winter built up toxins. It's got a lot of trace elements in it, trace minerals, that you can overdo. I mean, you shouldn't just chug a lug, get the direct line to your vein, but a quart a day, it's not a bad idea. Some of the minerals that we can get is like manganese, magnesium. I know that there's copper, there's a little bit of zinc. The all tree sap is loaded with these trace minerals, just what the trees need. They know, they can pick it out. I find the whole plant process just amazing, how they will take something from the soil and totally turn it into a chemical different thing.